Greetings, this is Commander Glock, and I just wanted to show you a gun that I just acquired from USN. This is a Beretta. I had the PX4 Storm, but I traded it in. Really was not a fan of its design, its short, stubby look. I mean, it's a great shooting gun. I wasn't a fan of the look, and I wasn't really a fan of the safety. This right here is a stainless steel Beretta 92FS, or what they call the 92FS Inox. Pretty much the service weapon of the United States Navy and the Army. I believe even the Marines, but I think the Marines are going to switch over to the 1911, which I think is a smarter choice in firearms. This particular one here has the standard non-night sight scopes. Sight. Not a big fan of external safeties, but these are very good guns. They're a little on the bigger side for most folks, but I don't mind shooting guns of various sizes, and this one really is just going to be a range gun. I like shooting 9mm. I have the Springfield XDM 9mm in a compact, and I have this. My other 9mm is the Sig Sauer P938. But it's always nice to be able to shoot the service weapons from time to time. So I'm really happy to have received this particular firearm, and now that I have a tripod, a decent camera, I'll be able to make some videos of some shooting at the range. Anyways, thanks for watching, and take care.